I've made a withdrawal of over 55 Dogecoin from this particular project. I've also been able to make another withdrawal of over 41 Dogecoin. Now, this particular project I'm about to share with you guys is a Dogecoin earning site. I've actually made countless videos about this project. It is still paying, it is still working, and you can still make money from it. Now, the fun fact about this particular project is that as long as you get to use it correctly, you are going to be able to make money from it. You don't have to be greedy, you don't have to rush. All right, so I'm going to be dropping a video just to give you guys a few review process of this particular project. All you have to do is just to give it a try. Now, this is not a quick reach program. You have to basically work, grind hard with this particular project and make good amount of money for yourself. Over here, guys, is basically the Dogecoin site that I want to share with you guys today. Now, if you're watching this video for the very first time, please do make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more updates like this. All right, so far I have been able to make withdrawal from this particular project without any single stress, and this is a legit proof. So I've been able to only pull out withdrawals from here. I have not made any deposit to this particular project, and this particular project has actually been active since 2024, so you can basically jump on it up to date and still make money from it. Now, the main reason why I'm making this video is because you're going to be making money from here 100% free. There are opportunities for you to make money. All right, now we have the free spin section for you where you can basically complete your human verifications, and by completing your human verification, you're going to be able to take out your withdrawals. All right, like if you hit the minimum withdrawal amount, you're going to be able to take out your withdrawals. All right, and once you are able to take out your withdrawals, you can automatically get to withdraw them into your account. Now, let me show you guys what to basically do right here. First of all, you have to complete your human verification. This is just a bypass for you not to be a bot. Now, once you're able to complete it, you can click on the free spin, and based on the level that you're currently at, you earn that amount. So for me, I'm currently on the iron level, and this is the amount of Dogecoin I'll be earning, about 0.010 Dogecoin. All right, so once you get to come over here, once you claim it, there's going to be a timer spinning on the downside right here. You have to basically wait for the timer to complete. Now, once this timer automatically complete, all right, what you're going to be doing next is that you have to come back and complete another free spin again. Also, once you're upgraded to the next level, you're going to be given some certain amount of spin which you can basically do on this space. Now, aside this, there are also the other games which you can basically play, such as dice, such as the mine, and such as the slot, and also video poker. All right, so for this section, all you have to do is to make sure you cover up the red side and let the green side to show. So this is a very simple and a very straightforward understanding. Now, you can max out how much you want to basically go into the game with, and once you click on this section right over here, if you land on this spot right over here, you're going to notice that I have actually won some portions from this particular trade. If you want to confirm if I actually won, make sure to go back a few seconds from this particular video and check the initial balance that I currently have, and then you can notice that I have actually won. Now, you notice that I clicked on it and then it dragged down to this particular portion right here. If I have left that red side to be open, I would have been able to lose all my money by now. So what I'm going to do is to step out of here right now and go play other games which are going to be provided for us. All right, now we have mine session, which is also still provided for us. Now, for the mine session, you can play mine games right over here and generate a whole lot of profit. You can basically max out the amount of funds you want to basically use. The amount of Dogecoin you are earning from this particular project is what you're still going to be able to use to play games on this particular project. All right, you can also get to top up, but I highly recommend you can use the free session because you won't want to basically play game and lose your money. So this is something that you can basically do for yourself and start making money every single time. This is going to be something you can actually apply to your own account within a short period of time and accumulate some few amount of money for yourself. So this is a very easy way to generate money. Now, if you come over to this section, you have to impute how much you want to play the game with. You can impute up to 1 Dogecoin. If you have up to 1 Dogecoin, you can impute up to 10 Dogecoin. You can impute more than that. All right, so any amount you impute, you have to select within the box. If you don't hit on any of the mine which is going to be set on the game, all right, you are going to be able to cash out what you have mined so far. Now, aside this, there is a free session where they call the faucet game, which is also provided by where I showed you guys earlier. And aside that, you also have the survey menu, which you can basically come over here and take out some few surveys. Now, these surveys are provided specifically for those that are going to be within the region, and if you're not within the region, it's going to show not completed or surveys are not available. All right, but these are surveys that are available for you right now, and you can come over here and click on the take surveys, and you can proceed to the survey menu. It takes you 1 minute to 2 minutes, and you can earn up to $1 to $0.1 for taking out these surveys. Now, aside this, you can also come to your wallet address space right over here. Now, this is a menu where you can automatically get to like deposit into your account. The deposit process on this particular project is very simple and straightforward. If you want to deposit, you just click on the wallet, come over here and copy out the wallet address and make a payment. Now, any amount you send automatically to the wallet gets to reflect into your account. And if you come to the withdrawal session, minimum withdrawal amount from the project is about 15 Dogecoin. So once you hit 15 Dogecoin, you can automatically withdraw. And for you to safeguard your account so that your funds automatically won't get stolen, you have to basically enable your two-factor authenticator. This is a very simple process that you can apply to your own account and generate money. All right. When it comes to affiliate programs, you can automatically use your affiliate programs to generate money. You can make up to 70 Dogecoin, 80 Dogecoin, 90 Dogecoin from this particular project, and you are good to go. These kind of projects are very easy to work with, and they can help you to generate money as long as you operate them correctly. So you can basically start off right now. I'll leave the link for you guys in the description. I'll also provide the link for you guys in the Telegram channel. Now, this is something I want to share with you guys at the end of this video. This is our Telegram channel right over here, and we get to post update every single time. All right, both update about news, about anything trading, which is going to help you out there. So if you want to basically participate or become a member, you are free to. And the fun fact about this is that we're also still going to be running a giveaway real soon. So the giveaway funds are already loading up, and what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be doing a giveaway real soon. Stay tuned, and also do not forget to share this video out with your friends. Stay blessed.